Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to not lose my shit. Yeah, that's appropriate title. Oh, I have a trying to focus on the positive things. Maybe it should say trying not to lose my shit. uh, Whatever. Let's just uh, let's just start. 3 minutes typing, 35 minutes of hopefully not losing my shit. So let's get into it. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you fucking doing? Okay. It's frustrating. That was very, very bad. Wow. Wow. Hey, Drum Stars. You just can witness just completely fucking up my statistics. 14, 33. All red. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that's horrible. What again? No. I don't smoke anymore. And I didn't smoke even before that. I did smoke like one joint per year or something like that. So I wouldn't say that's like bad. Oh well, it is what it is. And we will be fixing shit. That's the name of the game. Then you can switch on white powder. I mean protein powder. I first I read it like white power. I was like, what? I had to read it again. How that will help me with like anything. Yeah. Now I almost did like few jokes on white power, but I don't want that to be taken out of on context on a politically correct platform. Yeah. not implying anything. I should have just like, did you accept? Yes, I did. I did. I did accept the offer. That means I will have some problems at first next month. You know what? I actually had this talk with myself today, and I was like thinking to myself, why the fuck am I taking that offer? Why? And I think the response is they have a problem. They have a problem, and I don't know how to fix it. So I want to go there and like find out how to fix that shit, you know. Oh, maybe the problem will be trivial, but from the description it looked like I didn't know, so I want to learn how to fix their shit, so I will know how to fix the shit. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So where is it? So connected circuit. Saying first thought. For example, if you think why I should take offer, you should ask yourself why you should not take offer. That's how I think. Yeah, really? No. Why? Why you should not be happy? Some, some things you just want, right? You don't have like, oh well, it's complicated discussion. Anyway, so here it is running something, should create blah blah blah, and it says no provider for HTTP client. Okay, so that's good. Where? Ingredient service? I guess the ingredient service. This is requirements component. Oh, I see. Okay, so requirements component. It doesn't have HTTP client. And the ingredient service does not have what? Also HTTP client. Oh, thank you. You're so nice to me. No provider HTTP client. Oh hell, look at that. Ingredient service, HTTP client, HTTP client. Okay, so I don't know what this is here, but okay. It's ingredient service, there's like requirements component. That's probably what? This is requirements component, and it says something about ingredient service. No provider for HTTP client, and both of them are HTTP. Because requested component depends on it. Requirements. Because requirements component depends on it. Ingredient service, ingredient component. And that, okay, so this one I can like, okay, this takes ingredient service, I think. Yeah, so ingredient service as ingredient service as a dependency, or what the fuck is that? Error properties. Here are some object. App to bar is not known element. Free failed, okay. App component should render title failed. Okay, well, I would like this, like contain, like when this happened. And what I'm missing here is like go to this file, you know, or whatever. It says ingredient service here as factory something. Object ingredient service factory, blah blah blah. Here as well. I don't know what the fuck does it mean. Also ingredient service factory. Yeah, they are from spec files, okay, but it doesn't tell me which one, right? It is just, well, requirements component should create, I think, is the name of the test. I guess. You can remove them and add them manually so you know better how to deal with them. Yeah, it's a good idea. So we will start with whatever requirement for, and there's a it. So now it should run again itself by itself. Free fail to success. How can I trigger it somehow? Do I have to save it in there, or how does it work? There was this green thing. Okay, so this that marked like, okay, 4 failed, 2 success. Okay, and now we are at 3 failed, 2 success. Okay, good. So that's that. Okay, so I think we are proceeding somewhere. So we can do ingredients. I will do just this because I'm lazy. And okay, cool. Oh, come on, 3 failed still. It says 3 fail to success, 3 fail to success. Okay, but I did not comment it entirely. How the fuck is possible that this before each, when it has at least one it will run before each, and if it doesn't have, that's interesting behavior. Okay, so I guess we learned something. Compile or run or hush hush, whatever. Do the thing. Did it do the thing? Yeah, it did do the thing. 2 fail, 2 success. Here was 3 fail, 2 success, and now ingredient, service, and app component should render. Okay, so we'll go to ingredient service now. Because seems like deleting the test is the best way to fix them. That's what we are learning today. If you don't have a tests, you cannot have a problem with tests. So that would be the takeaway of today's session. Come on, I need to. Hold on. I hope you will not be seasick. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Good. And we will have a look in here, and here it says, what the fuck it says? There's one more way to ignore them all, or just not run them in the CI at all, which is my current state. Volkswagen package. I know where this is heading. That's the emission thing, right? Okay, one failed. App component should render title. Cannot read property text context of null. Okay, so that is the app component stuff. Oh really? I have to have a look into that. Open it. Oh wow. If you want your software to be adopted by Americans, good test scores from the CI server are very important. Volkswagen uses a defeat service to detect when it's being tested in a CI server and will automatically reduce errors to an acceptable level. The test the pass. This will allow you spend less time worrying about testing and more time enjoying the good life as the trustful software developer. You can start already by adding your evergreen build badge to your README. Imagine putting that into like production into your company. That's really wow. Did you notice how the logo transferred from the trunk to that? You see that? How it jumps? You cannot trick me. No. That's the only unbelievable thing about this whole picture, because cars normally do transfer to cars, right? It kind of shrinks in the proportion as well. And he just jumps. Oh, that's like lazy animation. Look how the arm like pops out suddenly, like out of nowhere. Oh well. It shouldn't be the topic of this thing, but this is beautiful. Okay. What we are doing, we are looking in here. Yeah. Well, they basically had it, but they did that in the hardware department, right? If another update, really? Again? What the fuck? What are you doing all the time? Dun dun dun. I don't know what is the fixture. Oh, and it expects this. The fuck is this fixture? It's just... Okay, so it returns components fixture. That is what? Fixture for debugging and testing a component. Understand what it does and you will know you need to delete it permanently. Well, I know what it does. Oh, well, I think I know what it does. It's testing if there it is contains this text, which is not there anymore. And we have query selector, class content. There would be like span, something, just like some selector of the whatever. Then you want the text content of all of the spans, I guess, inside of content, maybe. And they will have inside of this text. So I know what this expect does. But what the fuck is this fixture? The fixture is just test tool to manipulate component state. Detect changes. Just runs it with trigger a change detection cycle for the component. What is the test bed? Configure testing component. Yeah. it's just wonderful. There's so much fucking stuff I have no idea about. This is fucking daunting. Can I do delete around this? Doesn't work. Okay. Oh, it works. Cool. PyDocs. The Angular testbed facilitates this kind of testing, as you see in the sections below. But in many cases, testing the component class alone without DOM involvement can validate much of the component's behavior in an easier, more obvious way. Yeah, okay, so I think that kind of answers the question what I am in need of. Testing is one of them. Isn't this like also... No? Okay. It's green. Okay. Cool. Oh. It's midnight already? Where the fuck is my time going on? Like, what the fuck? It was like 3, like 2 minutes ago. I swear. Like 2 minutes ago, it was like 3 afternoon. What the fuck? Or, well, maybe 5. I don't know, but still, how come it's midnight already? Where the time? Like, what the fuck? Okay, whatever. Whatever. Now I will be the angry kid. Not fair, not fair. Okay, so to delete our texts, but I want to fix the... So first of all, we will have a look in to the service. And now I need somehow inject here the service. But okay, so it has dun. And if I run it now, it will crash. It will says the HTTP client, and we don't have the HTTP client, and that's because if we ingredient service here, if we have a look in here, we can see that we actually do somewhere inject the thing. We inject a lot of things. Here's the HTTP client, and in the constructor we have the HTTP client. You see? Okay, so Angular injecting service and test. It's like some fucking basics which I don't know again. Okay, here's something. Okay, describe value before each. What do we have here? It says before each. We have service. We inject ingredient service. Okay. Will it be how much do you accept? So it dropped Volkswagen patch in Discord. Oh, hold on, why is my... Oh, it is running. Thank you. All right. So have a good one. There is. See you next time. I don't know how much longer will I be here. I kind of started late again, and I don't even know how is it possible. Fuck is that? That is too small. It might fit on my 4K monitor. Why is it so inflated? Oh well. No one cares. Yeah, that's the one. You must mug the HTTP backend, so your tests can simulate interaction with the remote server. Is it really? Not much. It's just worse. Oh, why is it magnified, for the fuck's sake? The fuck? Okay, so there was like brutal magnification on the upload Wikimedia for me set up. Not sure what that was about. Oh, god damn it, I don't want to sleep. I want to program, but I will probably just. Oh, god. Well, this is not fair. Last few days it sucked. Like regarding programming. So for a pattern of testing in which the app executes code and makes requests first. Oh god damn it. Okay, so that's lame. That's so lame when you have like the official sample test and it doesn't fucking work. That is so fucking lame. That's angering. This should not ever happen. Oh well, whatever. think I'm gonna sleep. Yeah.